Did I press play?
Yes, you did. Mes amis, bonjour, bonsoir, comment nous y? 24 décembre, Christmas et aujourd'hui, nous tous ensemble, nous tous habillés même genre. Nous allons dans un petit party. Ni Christmas Eve, ni Christmas, nous faisons tous les deux ensemble. Nous allons ouvrir cadeau, je montrer nous qui cadeau nous te joignent kai famille Spinas. Yeah, so now we're aller dans fête là. Bye.
Bye guys.
So what you gotta do, you gotta scoop up the crackers and put them in the bowl.
Where's the table?
3, 2, 1, go! Go, Star, go, go, go!
Go! Go away, go away, go away!
Good job. Good job.
Keep going, girl!
Good job.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. This is for mommy from Gade.
This is from Madame Gris to Madame Edi.
Thank you, my
Oh.
Se não pegar no lá, fazer um aplausinho, meu nome. Keep going, keep going.
Ok. Finalement, je dis à c'est Christmas. Nous avons les 3 jours comme là, beaucoup dormi. Parce que nous sommes en fête là, il était n'importe 2 heures combien. Nous avons l'autre bagage à faire. So, nous allons dormir et nous allons pendant la journée. Ok, guys. J'aime dire nous allons ouvrir cadeau. Et la première monde qui va jouer un cadeau, c'est Stagina. Bon, quitter nous garder qui cadeau nous recevoir. Ok, guys. Voilà, et nous deux, moi-même avec Kiki.
And we're back in the
Nous allons
house.
faire un bagage spécial. So, tout le monde allé. Non, nous tous allés. Moi, et Kiki tourner parce que nous avons un bagage nous allons faire. C'est un petit genre difficile dans le cadeau. Ça veut dire que nous par contre qui cadeau pour nous bali. Donc, Chensky est venu avec une idée pour nous ranger chambre pour lui. Chambre en tête en bas. Il t'a choisi d'essayer, il était baillé à terre, avant nous sortir encore le regard il encore. So, nous allons décorer, nous allons comment chambre ensemble, then nous allons ranger et puis nous après.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Ok, guys, mais comment chambre là? Yeah. Il va être temps couvrir le bouquet. Il va être temps couvrir la cabane là. Le cabane ça qui l'a pas retiré. Ok? Mais celle ça me pense pas qu'à faire, pas qu'à mettre télévision en l'air parce que bah quand que j'en pour mettre le gain là. Ok?
Guys, so That's my bed. Now she's taking out of her room finally. She's gonna hang up the canvases. Guys, so this is how it's looking so far over there. Yep, we're gonna change the curtains.
And we're almost done.
Yes. I cleaned over there for her. We added a mirror. And we can't put the bed up, unfortunately. I mean the TV. We can't put the TV up, unfortunately. I'm gonna put this on the bed and it's gonna look so pretty and nice. I'm so happy. We did this in like 1 hour. And it still look a little effortless.
Come on, son.
Effortless but perfect. Like I didn't put nothing into it, but it looks good. It looks really good, me. I like it, me. I'm proud.
That was your idea.
Huh? All my idea made it come to life. You didn't even think of it, did you? I'm just that good of a sister. And we fought a lot this week. Do this so fast.
Guys, why? We were trying to get you to the room, like, what is taking so long? Why?
It was my idea. Mommy didn't think of it. That's why I said I know I'm a good sister.
This was supposed to be for mommy.
No, it was never for you. It was for you. I know that.
I was gonna put the TV up too.
Ok guys, so Stadji nan gen tan recevoir kado pral. And kounya la nou gen pa Jean-Michel la ki rete. Pam nan. E pa Chenski ya. Kado, voilà. Kado pasta el la pat ka entre nan nan stuffing nan. E pa kon sa style. Eh? Pat ka entre nan stuffing nan. Nan stocking. Kado. Kado pa la pat ka entre nan stocking nan. So pal la, e sa ki fe nou e stocking pal la pa la. Pa ve di ke il va gen stocking li men. So kounya la mwen men Jean-Michel mwen men avec Chenski nou pal komanse pa ouvri stocking panou yo. Ok guys? Am kite nou suive. Jam de di nou pal ouvri kado. So premye mwen ki pal ouvri kado de se Chenski. Stocking nou Kiki. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much.
Open it.
Girly Pop, if you lose this, I'm gonna lose you.
I know, going on. It's cookie. Oh, that's so cool. And you can just make your
Guys, I got a throw from Audrey's family.
Yeah, of course it's full. I have a skirt.
Oh. Exactly, I actually like it.
It reminds me of Wednesday.
No, it reminds me of, I don't know. Ooh. The skirts.
That's so pretty.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Sure, yeah. Just put it on top of the pants.
So satin and just so comfy. Okay guys, that's me.
Girl, please. From the Andrews family.
No, I have something else for me. I'm sorry, Chenski, but I had to buy it for myself. This is a petit bean Nan baf tou mwen. So just gen body scrub. Gen savon, gen krem. Gen lofa. Gen fruit cream. So c'est la famille de spinach. Qui va mwen ça. I think it should.
It's a king.
Yeah, it's a king. You connais et gros cabane couché. So you va mwen yon gros len king. Ba vle ouvri pou mbaka fermel. Yeah. Okay, so c'est ça petit gain. That's from Kiki, guys. Même te di nou Kiki kon fè comment yo bracelet. Bracelet nan créole m'a parlé. Comment di yo bracelet? Oh. Hey, ça ga passé là. Kiki kon fè bracelet and they say menti. Okay, many guys. Can you see it? Il paraît bien? Noeli? Gonna na pwel nan mem, non pa make nan sa ki.
No, I put Edna on the first one, messed it up.
What do you mean I messed it up?
I messed it up.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay, guys, Manny. That's my Christmas present. Yeah. I like it, and you know that. Oh. And that's for Jean-Michel. Go ahead and open your stuff. Let me put some.
Oh, yours is right there. I'm gonna take yours.
Kiki, move.
Oh, what is it?
Pull it out.
Yes, he's asking me what is it.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah. I like it. Adidas. Thank you.
Woohoo.
Guys.
More, please.
Who give it to me?
Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
We give it to you.
Shorts.
Thank you.
Woo-hoo. Almost.
Almost. One more. White gold necklace.
Oh my God. Mommy, you didn't get one?
I didn't want one.
You didn't want one? Oh.
Thank you.
Bam does too short.
Wait, no. It's tangled up.
From Stagina to Papi.
Oh, Legion. Mont Blanc. Thank you.
You're
I like
welcome.
it. From Kiki to me. Thank you, Kiki. Merci pour bracelet.
Papi happy birthday.
Oh. Girl.
You made it or you buy it?
She made them.
That's why when I was trying to wrap that, I said, where did all the wrapping paper go? I really liked it.
Goodbye. I'll put it there. Start from
Ouais, kado ça fait bon moment qui fait attention. Mon gars, c'est le plus bas la main. Thank you.
That's another little thing.
Thank you. From you?
So when you that's why you put the shower.
Because you don't know how to.
Oh my God.
You should have given him
Okay.
the thing too.
I know I
The bubble
forgot.
thing. Because he.
For my skin.
Yeah, to take
You
it
put it in
back.
the bath and then you get there.
Yeah, that's a candle. We have other gifts that we don't show.
Some small other stuff that we already bought before.
That's the album.
He might get again. Wrap, yeah.
I like the color. I hope you did. So it's kind of pink and blue and purple.
Okay, you got more kado.
I knew she had to have another candle.
Bro, why do you keep on doing that? It's not funny.
You had more kado stuff.
Mommy. Ooh, you got a perfume. Where'd you get it from?
Perfume. Or 2 perfumes. One small.
I like perfumes.
in one body lotion. I like perfumes too. And I have new curtains, guys.
Is that blackout?
Yes, it's very blackout. Bro, she said it fell and then she just took it out.
I knew that had to be a lie too.
I got the razor, thank you, finally. And I have a loofah. What did the loofah with me?
That she need to do. That other thing was all shriveled up. With it.
I have a body.
Ooh, let me see them.
And I have.
This one has vinyl. This is dry
I have
skin.
exfoliating
I'm gonna
sponges.
take that.
Those are so cool.
What is
Oh my
that?
God, I'm gonna be taking a great shower tomorrow.
I know.
Exfoliating sponges. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and I also have this from the
Throw.
this throw from the lesbian ass family, and I think I'm going to be sleeping with it tonight. It's so comfy. It's so.
Happy holiday. So nous presque dans fin année. Je suis sûr que nous tout avons regardé vidéo ça après fin d'année. Avec un pile plaisir de voir cette vidéo ça pour. C'est tout aimé, c'est tout apprécié. Pas oublier quitter un like pour encourager, abonner sur votre fait ça. Partagez avec vos amis, vos familles pour former un cas grandi. Et puis bye. That way no video. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, guys.
Ciao, guys.
Bye.